In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to return a game on Nintendo Switch eShop. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Now, when you purchase something on the Nintendo eShop, you will notice that there is no direct option to get a refund, even if you browse through the Nintendo eShop itself, or you go over to the game, you go to the settings, you won't find anything related to returning the title and getting a refund for your purchase. While it is possible to get a refund for any purchases that you make on the Nintendo eShop, Nintendo can be quite annoying regarding this. For you to do this, you will have to talk to their customer support. There is no guarantee that you will be given a refund, but you can still try by going over to Nintendo.com and clicking on the support option. So access this website through a web browser on your computer or your phone, and when you go over to support.nintendo.com, you will be able to scroll down and find digital purchases. So in here, go over to Nintendo eShop, and you will find plenty of topics related to the eShop. Now, even if you browse through all of these, what you will notice is that even by looking for the word refund or return, you won't find anything related to directly refunding a purchase. Like I said, Nintendo makes this process very difficult. However, you will still be able to talk to them and try to get a refund. So, without searching anything on this page, you just have to scroll down and you will find this option, Still Need Help? Contact Us. When you click on Contact Us, now you will find all of the channels in which you will be able to talk to them. Now, I recommend using this option here, Contact Support. Get Help Anytime will usually pair you up with a bot, so you will just get automated answers. So the best course of action is talking to an actual agent over chat, text message, or phone. You will be able to describe your issue, tell them which order was it that you would like to get refunded, and see if they grant you a refund. As long as the purchase was very recent and you didn't spend too much time playing, they might grant you the refund, but you will have to talk to them over one of these text channels here. I hope I was able to help you on how to return a game on Nintendo Switch eShop. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.